Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X3 and you're trying to find out how to test your NOx sensors, stay with us guys and we will explain how to do that. It doesn't matter guys if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, gasoline or diesel engine, the procedure to test your NOx sensor is practically the same, and not just for a BMW X3 but pretty much for any BMW guys. We're making this video because we're at the comment section below the videos guys, where you leave comments, and many of you ask how do you test the NOx sensor on BMW X3. As you know, we have some BMW X3 videos, and every single car we get at the shop guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos provided to you for free guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to our channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy new sensor or any of the tools, parts that we'll be using, scanner, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. So let me show you what we have here now. Let's explain a little bit what the NOx sensor is for and how guys you can test it and figure out if it's good or bad, so you don't have to waste your money. Now we have that 6-cylinder engine, but doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, gasoline, diesel, okay, you will have 1 or 2 NOx sensors. Most of the times will be 2 NOx sensors guys. You will need to remove your intake manifold. The whole intake manifold needs to come out. Okay, if you want to see a video how to replace a NOx sensor, we have it on the channel, and usually on the engine block, upper engine block, you will guys have, okay, 1 or 2 NOx sensors. In most cases 2, 1 here, 1 right there. We have ours removed, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, those are the NOx sensors guys. It just mounted to the engine block. What it does, it actually detects if there is an early explosion happening in the combustion chamber. Okay, if the spark or the ignition is happening too early, that will sound like a knock. The engine will be knocking under acceleration, okay, and that sensor will actually guys detect that immediately and tell the computer we need to change the ignition timing. Okay, so we can fix that, and it's going to adjust that so you can make sure that the engine is running at its best guys. And if you wonder if you can drive with a bad sensor, we have a video that explains that. Can I drive with a bad NOx sensor? So definitely guys, check it out, something very helpful. Now with that thing removed, most of the times BMW sensors will come in a pair of 2. You can see they come to 1 connector here guys. Okay, they come to 1 connector. And what do we need to do now? Okay, we need to follow one of the wires for the sensor that we need to test. Okay, let's figure it out which one is which. Okay, perfect. And you have 4 different wires here. Okay, let me show you. 4 different wires. The left ones are for one sensor, the right ones are for another sensor. Touch them with the leads guys. Get the voltmeter, turn it on millivolts. Okay, if you're on the market for amazing voltmeter, this is amazing guys, amazing too. I will select volts, click DC. You don't even have to click millivolts, it's automatically adjusting. Ours is already in millivolts. Okay, and if the voltage increases, it's going to automatically switch to voltage. Now I want to show you guys, okay, what's going to happen when I tap on that sensor, okay, with the metal tool. Check it out now. Okay, you can see how it climbs. Okay, let's try again. Okay, 27, 162. Okay, it's just detecting guys. Okay, it's detecting a tap. 50. So definitely guys, this is one good sensor. That vibration is sending a signal to the computer that it's working. So definitely guys, that's taking care of our problem. Now if you guys need help with anything else, just let us know. We'll be more than glad guys to help you figure it out. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.